Want to make your PowerPoint slides stand out instantly? Let me show you how to create this amazing spinning circular text effect where the text moves perfectly around your image like a 3D rotating ring. It's a clean, modern design that's perfect for ads, profile intros, product highlights, or even ever slides. And the best part is super easy to make. So let's start the video. Start with a fresh blank slide in PowerPoint. Go to Insert, click on Icons and choose Cutout People. You will find lots of ready-made transparent images here. Pick one that fits your design. For example, a person facing the camera or holding something. Go to Insert, select Text Box and type your message. Select the text box and go to Shape Format. Change the text fill color. Then click on Text Effect, choose Transform and select Circle. Resize it to around 8 cm by 8 cm and increase the font size to make it more visible. Now drag the circular text over the image so it looks like a text ring wrapping around your subject. Go to Animation tab and apply the spin effect. By default, it's spin too fast, so let's adjust it. Click Effect option, open the timing setting, set duration to 8 seconds, and under Repeat, choose until end of slide. Now, the circular text will rotate smoothly, giving it that elegant looping animation effect. To make it look more realistic, let's create half overlay effect. Duplicate your image. Now, place this crop image above the rotating text layer and click Crop. Crop it halfway so only the upper part of the image remains. This creates the perfect illusion that the text is spinning behind and around your subject like a real 3D ring. If you want to make it even more stylish, open the Effect menu and choose 3D rotation. From Preset, select Perspective Relax moderately. This adds depth and gives your animation a cinematic feel. Now, click on Slideshow and enjoy your professional seamless spinning text animation. And that's how you create a stunning circular spinning text effect in PowerPoint. It's modern, dynamic technique that immediately capture attention. Whether you are designing intro slide, profile animation, or product showcases, this method will instantly elevate your presentation design. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Akshrika tutorials, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more PowerPoint animation tricks.